Hey, Ma. How was your day?
Hey, son, my day was good and yours?
My day was great. I just came to ask for permission for something.
Go ahead. What's up?
So, can I get a tattoo?
What?
I want a sleeve.
Huh?
Sleeve, like a tattoo.
You want a sleeve like a tattoo?
Like all the way from
But you have shirts that have sleeve. Why would you need a tattoo?
Because I just want a cool design.
What is that supposed to mean? Do I have a tattoo?
No,
Where are you coming from with your idea?
I just saw it. I'm like, whoa, this is actually.
Does your dad have tattoos?
No, he doesn't have tattoo.
So if he does anything I don't have, why would you want tattoos?
I want to start first generation tattoo guy.
Oh, is that so? Well, it looks like you are falling on something, honey. Because why you wanna get tattoos for?
It just looks so nice.
Oh, honey, listen. Not every nice thing you gotta get in life, okay? Do you understand? Yes, okay, not everything that you see you gotta get. Your body is a temple of God, and you must keep it as such.
Yes, ma'am.
So where's that tattoo coming from? So wasting money on shenanigans, that's all you wanna do?
No.
Boy, you better find something else to do with that money, okay? Find a better request and come back to me.